In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rand function in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but powerful tool that allows you to quickly generate random text in your document, which is especially useful for testing layouts, formatting, or practicing editing skills without having to type out content manually. To get started, open a new or existing Word document. Place your cursor exactly where you want the random text to appear. The rand function works directly in the document, so make sure your cursor is in the right location before you type. Next, type the function exactly as follows: rand followed by parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can specify two numbers separated by a comma. The first number represents the number of paragraphs you want, and the second number represents the number of sentences per paragraph. For example, if you type rand 3,5, Word will generate 3 paragraphs, each containing 5 random sentences. After typing the function, press Enter. Word will immediately replace the function with the generated text. You'll see a series of random sentences that look like placeholder content, often starting with, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," or similar text. This is a default set of random sentences used to fill your document. If you want to try different lengths or variations, simply type the function again with new numbers and press Enter. For example, rand 5,3 will give you 5 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. You can also just type rand with empty parentheses, and Word will generate 3 paragraphs of 5 sentences each, which is the default setting. This function is especially handy for testing headers, footers, margins, or page layouts because you get realistic text instantly. It's also useful if you're teaching students how to format documents, or if you need to demonstrate Word features without using your real content. Remember, the rand function is different from typing placeholder text manually. It's fully automated and can save a lot of time when designing documents, creating templates, or practicing editing skills. With these simple steps, you can quickly generate as much random text as you need in Microsoft Word, making your workflow faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.